Day Sai Kids.
10 lines essay about eagle. The eagle is a bird well known for its flight and sight. It flies very high in the sky, much higher than other birds. It is an omnivorous and scavenger bird from which no food item can escape. It has a large body, broad wings, heavy head and a large hooked beak. Its whole body is blackish brown, on which the dark color is lying on the face. Its beak is heavier than that of most other birds. Its eyes are extremely powerful, which can see its prey from a very long distance. The eagle flies away with its sharp eyes, taking its prey in its claws in one fell swoop, not caring about obstacles. The eagle does not eat the prey done by other animal, but it hunts itself for its own food. It normally builds the nest in tall trees or on high cliffs. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.